Welcome to H2K Infosys. H2K Infosys is a e-verify business based in Atlanta, Georgia, United States. We provide 100% job-oriented, instructor-led, face-to-face, true live online software training programs. It also includes access to cloud test lab with software tools. We provide live project for you to work on. We also provide assistance with mock interviews, resume preparation and review, and job placement assistance. H2K Infosys is trusted by so many students across the world. H2K Infosys provides world-class services in IT training with real-time project work for corporates and individuals, special IT training for MS students in the United States, software design, development, QA manual and automation, performance testing and maintenance, IT staff augmentation, job placement assistance, and tech support.
I think this is main, right? Okay. Then because it's a web application, so we might run our scripts on different browsers, so you can also arrange those things. And then let's save this. So in order to differentiate this, I'm giving different names here. Say just to differentiate, I say keyword framework constants. Just so that we don't mix with a lot of constants. And then, so I also say this one functions. Let's say this with
Sri, I had a question. If we had to create
framework functions. Okay. This is the function. Okay. So what's the question?
Sorry, if we had created the function using the other one, can we call the same one, or do we have to write a separate one?
Basically, you can use them. Just here, why I'm doing this, because the way like how you write the functions is slightly different in keyword driven framework.
Okay, thanks.
You cannot use those functions as it is. That's why actually like I'm writing different things. Okay.
Okay.
Just a slight difference. How you output your results. That matters. Okay. So then here anyway I'm going to use the constants here. Say application URL. And then so once it opens, then you're going to write the result, right? Say how you're going to write the result. If you see the login page, then your script is passed, right? So that's what like this is the difference, like how you do with the keyword driven framework. Then so here I'm going to look at once I see the login page, right after I open application, if I see this login page, okay, that confirms okay, my application is open. So I'm going to do any kind of verification, right? Say if the username field exists on this page, that means that confirms that yes, the login page is displayed, right? You can do any kind of verification. How you confirm that the login page is displayed? If you see this login window, right? Login controls, like either username and password, that confirms the page is displayed. So what I'm going to say is, say username field exists on this particular page, right? So that's what I just drag and drop that particular object. And now I'm going to say if the username field dot exists, then that confirms okay, the application is open. Then I'm going to write the result here. So how you write the result is just little bit different here. You're going to assign the results to the function, saying that, okay, so this particular, you can assign, say, pass. You are going to return the result to the function name itself. Okay, that's the beauty of the VB scripting. You can return the result of, then in this case, you have to write it as a function. Okay, so that's what like even the others sometimes like when we're talking about the data-driven testing. So what's the difference between a subroutine and what's the difference between subroutine and the function, right? So this is what, if you want to return something, then you have to write it as a function, not the subroutine. So that's what you have to change it here, because here you are returning the script result, like whether it's a pass or fail. If you don't return within the function, then you can write it as a subroutine, like how we did in data-driven framework. But whereas here, you are returning your results, whether your script pass or fail, to the function. Then you have to write it as a function. Subroutine don't work in this case. So function and then function. And then you return, okay, if this particular username exists on the page that confirms application is open successfully, you return the result to the function. Else, okay, if you don't see that username field on the page, then you're going to fail it, saying that open application is failed. Okay, so this is the difference. That's why actually I'm not using those functions as it is. Okay, because this is the additional part like what we're doing here. The verification also like is part of the function, and then you're going to return the result to the function itself. Any questions? Is this clear? Meena, like is this clear now? Because you asked, can I use those functions? But because of this difference.
Okay, yeah, it's clear now. Thanks.
Okay. Okay. And now the next one is just you're going to write different functions, right? So the function headers, anyway, like I'm leaving it to you. So you can write one of those function headers. I'm going to write one more function, say login. And when you name them, so make sure these function names and the Excel keyword should match. Okay, that's what you have to make sure. What are the function name you give here? That should match here the function name. That's it. So once you take care of that part, then you're good. Similarly, like so here you mentioned the keyword is the login, so that should be your function name. Okay. And next, so we're going to write the function for login now. So again, the keywords. Then just drag and drop all these objects. So first one is the username, password, and then login. Right? So this is the different things. And then so here you're going to set whatever that is the name, demo CSR, and then CRM SFA. Then click login button. So this is the other function. So you can also put the function error and you can change it. And also you are going to do the verification part, right? The verification part, how you do that? So probably like once the login is successful, then what you see is demo CSR. Here, yes, Mami was Cindy, okay? Okay. Okay, so once the login is successful, then you should be able to see this page. So the demo CSR, this particular user should display on top of this page. So you can do that verification in this. So let's try to first add that object to the object repository again, and then you can control that. Okay, add objects to local, and this the element, and then so add that element. Then you're going to the program. So available keywords. Then this is the object. Then you're going to say. Anyway, we know what's the object, right? If dot get arrow property. And then we're going to say outer text. As we got, so demo CSR. Then you're going to say you're going to return the result to the function itself, saying that yes, it is found. Else, you're going to say login failed. let's return the result to the function itself. Then say and if. So that is how you write a function for the login. So anyway, like this is the function name. Alright, so that completes the login function. Yeah, questions?
Yeah, Shri, I had a question. In this way, it works where we put the data property for the web element for demo CSR, but if I use the other username, then it's a different web element by itself. So, is there a way to make it common, or do we have to record a different script? What happened is in my Excel, I had one as a demo CSR, another one as a demo CSR2. So in that way, when I come to that if condition, it keeps looking for a demo CSR instead of the CSR2, and then the program doesn't run, it hangs there.
No, it works, I think.
For the second iteration, it's not working when it comes to that, when it comes to the different condition.
No, I think because data-driven script, we did the same thing. It works. Right.
Okay, yeah, we can try it.
Because if you look at the data-driven script, like how we did, so even valid login, it's the same thing, like what we did. It works.
Okay, yeah. I think maybe when I tried it, it kind of wasn't okay. No, we can try it again.
So if you look at here, just we did the same thing. It works, right?
Yeah, that's what it, when I'm running it, it kind of, it was hanging there, and then when we looked at it,
No, it works.
we had the, okay.
It's like even we executed the script. Okay, if it hangs, tell me. Then you can handle it in a different way. Probably like you will get some web table or something there.
Okay.
If you spy it, usually it works, but I don't see any problem here. But let me know if you have issues.
Okay.
Okay. Alright, so is these functions clear?
So in these Excel keyword-driven one, the complete, whatever we are supposed to do, everything should be written within the function. All the details of
Yes.
the
So
whole
it's
test.
really the functions is going to drive the script. So you have to come up with all these functions, and then what your driver script can say just calls to these functions.
Okay. And can we can also use, instead of setting a value, we can also use a data table sheet to parameterize it, right? Or will it be more?
That comes in the hybrid framework. Basically, the keyword-driven framework. That's the drawback with this keyword-driven framework, where we are hard coding with the data, and that's where actually now the people are talking about hybrid framework. That's a mix of data-driven and keyword-driven.
Okay.
Okay, that part we are going to discuss once we are done with keyword driven.
Okay, thanks.
Okay. So this way we're going to write more of this function library. And the next part is the driver script. How you call these functions into the driver script. So mainly like the driver script, it has two different loops. That is the main logic in the driver script. Okay, the outer loop and inner loop. Okay, so the outer loop mainly iterate through the test cases, and the inner loop iterate through the test steps. Okay. Okay, so this is the driver script where we are going to run it. Let's go through this. Okay, so if you don't have any questions, like okay, we are going to break for 5 minutes. Okay, we're going to break here for 5 minutes, and then we'll continue with this driver script. Okay, all right, just give me 5 minutes.
No, because I want. No, I won't.
Okay. So now let's go with this JavaScript. Okay, so the first thing, anyway, like the standard the scripting process, option explicit, and then you're going to include your library file. So let's look at the function libraries.
So many of our students have given testimonials on how our training programs are. You will find them on kudzu.com and on our website h2kinfosys.com. On our website h2kinfosys.com, You will also find more detailed information on who we are, the courses that we offer, what each course covers. Also, if you're interested in a demo program, please register on our homepage on the left-hand side. Just give us more information about yourself and we will send you a link for a demo class. The demo class is absolutely free. Experience our commitment by just attending an orientation workshop at no cost. Our team of faculty and advisors are here to guide you with the right information. If you still have more questions, please feel free to call us. Call us at 770-777-1269. This is a United States number. If you're calling from the UK, call us at 020-337-17615. You can also email us at training@h2kinfosys.com or h2kinfosys@gmail.com. Thank you for watching our videos. We wish you a great career in information technology.